A very good evening to everybody. मैं हिंदी और इंग्लिश दोनों में बात करने की कोशिश करूंगी क्योंकि हमारे काफ़ी फ्रेंड्स हैं यहाँ पर जो हमेशा बोलते हैं आपने बहुत अच्छा प्रोग्राम किया, पर हमें कुछ नहीं समझ में आया क्योंकि आप सब इंग्लिश में बोल रहे थे. So I will definitely make an attempt to communicate so that everybody understands. First of all, shukriya so much. Thank you to each and every one, because today is a downpour day and I can imagine कि आप सब ने इतनी सारी कोशिश करके इतनी बारिश के बावजूद, and especially all my friends out here, they have come from so far and wide. Thank you so much. I would like to just mention a few names here. Komal has come all the way from Beat by car. Thank you, with a family. Aman has come all the way from Mumra and he's unwell. Thank you. We have Anthony here. We have Vinod here who's come from Nalasopara, and Nikunj has driven from Danu. He must have been a wonderful ride with the rains, right? Awesome ride. See, this is the spirit. Joseph is here, who's just out of a surgery. Thank you so much, Joseph, that you come. And Hiralal ji has come from Igatpuri. Thank you so much. We have Ramesh, who's come from Buldana. Thank you, and I think you come for your sister, right, Rajeshwari? Shukriya. I know that quite a few have not been able to be here, but thank you to everyone. I'm deeply privileged. Dr. Athriya, my mentor, and Usha. Mr. Fernandez, my professor from Bajaj. Mr. Viera, how can I ever thank you? And I think I should thank Mrs. Viera because I always connect with her. And it's really a privilege because I remember having done a project under you for WOCHART just after my accident, and I visited your early office. So all the spirit, I always wanted to continue doing my work, and I must say that I'm extremely privileged to have all of you as my mentors and friends. Thank you. So आज एक बड़ा खास दिन है और ये बहुत ही खास वक्त है. आप सोच सकते हैं ये खास दिन और वक्त क्यों है? बोलिए, आज क्यों इतना खास दिन है? I'm not going to give you any marks. Okay? So you can be free and you can speak. Anybody can speak. It is because this room is full of champions. We have this room full of champions. हम champions किसे कहते हैं? Champion वो होता है शूरवीर. I went through Google to find out इसको हिंदी में क्या बोलते हैं. It's a शूरवीर. It is विजेता. Okay, I refer to my nephew's Hindi dictionary also, Vijeta. It is someone who has achieved something. And चैंपियन वो होता है जो बहुत सारी मुश्किलें, बहुत सारी अड़चनें, बहुत सारे ऑब्स्टेकल्स पार करके कामयाबी की तरफ पहुंचता है. एंड इसीलिए इस बार नीना फाउंडेशन ने सोचा कि हम 16 साल के हो गए आज, और इतने सारे वी हैव बीन सो फॉर्चुनेट कि हमारे साथ इतने सारे champions hai, and we have been so closely watching them, closely looking at every time falling and getting up, falling and getting up, and not only falling but reaching the peak. So we decided that why not acknowledge they are from different walks of life, अलग अलग प्रांतों से है, अलग अलग उम्र के हैं, अलग प्रोफेशन से है, अलग इकोनॉमिक और सोशल स्ट्रैटा, फाइनेंशियल स्टेटस से है, और इन सब चैंपियन को एक कॉमन कनेक्शन है। ये कॉमन कनेक्शन है कि इन्हें एक स्पाइनल कॉर्ड इंजरी और एक बहुत बड़ी डिसेबिलिटी है। एंड स्पाइनल कॉर्ड इंजरी, WHO वर्ल्ड हेल्थ ऑर्गेनाइजेशन ने इसे माना है एज द मोस्ट डिवास्टेटिंग डिसेबिलिटी इन द वर्ल्ड, एंड दिस वाज एज पर देयर international perspectives on spinal cord injury study which they did in 2012. That means there are 80 million people with disability in this world. There are 1.5 million people with spinal cord injury in India, and we are saying that to live with a spinal cord injury in this country, in India. I remember Dr. Bhojraj telling Dhaval after my injury, you have a choice, you are educated, you have a choice to go and live abroad because the facilities are better. And then we had Dr. Jacob who came and got me up and about, and he said, if you're going to live in India, you got to learn to live with the infrastructure and other barriers that you have, and the development would be as per that. Believe me, our family is extremely patriotic about this country, and that's the reason we decided to live here and in our own little way make some kind of a change. And we are very fortunate to have all trustees who are so patriotic. But let me share certain downsides of living in a country like India with spinal cord injury. Our medical curriculum, जो हमारे डॉक्टर्स, काफ़ी डॉक्टर्स यहाँ पर है, our medical curriculum is so sketchy about spinal cord injury. Our doctors, when they study in MBBS and all the graduate and postgraduate programs, hardly anything is covered in depth about how it happens, what needs to be done, what are the issues and challenges. So much so that काफ़ी टाइम ऐसे होता है हमारे साथ कि जब हम डॉक्टर के पास जाते हैं एक लो ग्रेड फीवर के साथ, तो a GP is not even able to assess that this fever could be because of a urinary tract infection. And by the time we discover it, lot of us, and I see a lot of smiles here, lot of us have then need to take 4th grade antibiotics, 4th generation antibiotics. Medical curriculum ठीक अब तक अपडेटेड नहीं है, डॉक्टर्स को पता नहीं है, फिजियोथेरेपिस्ट, जब भी हम बोलते हैं स्पाइनल कॉर्ड इंजरी तो इट इज ओनली physiotherapy which is given to us. There is no occupation therapy, there is no rehab specialist, there is nothing in terms of assistive technology. Like, our lives can become so much better if within 6 months of our injury we know which wheelchair, which crutches, which calipers will be suitable for us, and we get along with our lives. By the time we discover this, information is so less. Even in cities, Mumbai maybe, what is bladder management? काफ़ी टाइम हमारे यहाँ के हॉस्पिटल से जो हमारे फ्रेंड्स निकलते हैं, they come with an indwelling catheter and they are there. By the time they come to our OPD, it's like मैं तो 6 साल से indwelling catheter पे हूँ. Can you imagine the kind of, Mr. Pereira, you're so lucky that you have the army taking care of you. You know, as civilians we pay taxes, but we got to fend for ourselves. And indwelling catheter, we continue taking medicines without knowing when we got to stop taking these medicines. Nobody tells us that एक special cushion रहता है. हमारे जो भी दोस्त, you know, I always shed a tear when I lose a friend because they are so much part of a family. Just a basic cushion which can prevent bed sores and pressure sores. And you'll be shocked to know either we have a very high-end, very expensive 24,000 worth cushion which is available in Mumbai, or then we get a cushion from Delhi, and we keep discovering these things. There is nothing like, you know, with all the technology and everything, हम लोग सब we struggle and we find out and we discover things. What is good? Nobody tells. Like I remember our friend Hardik calls up and says he was sitting in a cab, and because the legroom is more in the Kali Pili taxi, he was sitting in the front seat, and by the time he returned home to Kandivali from his place, he had a burn on his leg because the heat of the cab was so much, and nobody tells us that heater के पास बहुत नज़दीक मत रहो, because even your wheelchair will get hot and your feet is touching the wheelchair and you will get scalded and you will get burnt. And these are secondary complications. We do all kinds of exercises, continue doing that, and nobody tells us please do a test to check your bones whether we have osteoporosis or not. You know, when I did my PhD, I wrote to doctors and they said, oh, the hospital itself every 2 years sends out a letter, do a sonography, do an X-ray, do your urine routine every month. We, you know, like, we are, God takes care of us. Because we have so many gods and goddesses in our country and we pray so much, I think we live, we exist, we survive because God takes care of us. There is nothing like a model rehab for spinal cord injury. Ours is a very small attempt, and what we are going to do now is that despite all this, and I'm not even touched, you know, a quarter of what all we face, but due to paucity of time I'll just stop here. Despite all that, we have true heroes, we have champions, we have these extraordinary achievers who go on day after day. You know, for a person with spinal cord injury, even to do a routine activities, and after the routine activities to go out to work or to serve is a great achievement. And we have this room full of such champions, and we have called them angel champions. The angel because truly, as I told you, फरिश्ते हैं कि इतनी सारी तकलीफों के बावजूद हंसते हुए proudly they carry on with others, they share their knowledge and they give the hope to their families and people around them. I would also like to mention that the role of the family for us is huge. Dr. Chhabra, who is from Indian Spinal Injury Center and had graced one of our, there are only two world-class spine injury centers in India. One is in Delhi, set up by Major Ahluwalia, who is a quadriplegic, and the other one is Dr. Mary Verghese, who was also a person with spinal injury, CMC Vellore. That's it. In the western region, in the eastern region, in the central region, there is nothing. There is nothing in terms of a comprehensive rehabilitation. Most people, even in Mumbai, which is a financial capital, with 16 billionaires, we don't have a comprehensive rehabilitation center. Most of us have had home-based rehab. So after hospitalization or surgery, we come back home and we do physiotherapy and we just learn to fly. And yes, indeed, we are flying. A little bit about the trophy, if I can have a sample of the trophy, which is so lovingly made by a very dear Rotarian friend, Madhu Narangji of Better Services. Thank you, Roshni. It's a special trophy. This trophy is like a vase with colorful flowers, and the vase is golden in color. When a champion wins, what color medal do you get? And Mr. Pereira has got several of them, right? So you don't get this one. You get a gold medal. So it is for winning. Everyone gets a gold. And because we are all about hope and we are about a colorful life, so we have these fluorescent colors, rainbow colored flowers, which will adorn the trophy. So we want each one of the champions to feel and to spread this hope and cheer to everybody around. And I will start and I will request at random some of our guests to come up and felicitate. And this is in no particular order. I will only be calling those who are present here because quite a few of our friends have not been able to come because of flooding and rains and etc. But thank you to each one of you who have braved the monsoon and, as Mr. Vieira said, change the date. So let's start with the angel champions, right? And at the end, I'm going to ask you to participate in something willingly at the end, okay? So right now, we will start with the angel champions. So are we ready to clap hard?